welcome back to another one. Happy to see you and happy to have you back. Before we do anything in this video, if you haven't yet, please make sure that you subscribe. Please click the red box that says subscribe and click the bell so you will not miss any of my notifications. So today's video, you guys, I wanted to bring you guys into my bathroom. So into my bathroom, my personal space, because I feel like it was needed. I'm here today to tell y'all to throw away your razor and your nair, because this is what have been causing y'all ingrown hair. Yes, if you do have sensitive skin, this is a great video for you guys to stay tuned and watch, because I will be sharing great tips that help me along the way to getting rid of all of my ingrown hair and scars. So please stay tuned. This is my way because YouTube kind of helped me a lot, and I find that if people really didn't share out there what works for them, I would have never find what works for me, because I have really sensitive skin. For those of you guys out there that can just pick up a razor and just shave, listen, y'all are blessed. Okay, y'all are blessed and highly favored, because not everybody is actually like that. And whether you probably didn't know or not, a lot of us girls do struggle with really sensitive skin, and I am one of those girls. So today I wanted to show you guys how to get a great shave by preventing and stopping ingrown hairs, dark spots, scars, and a lot more. So I wanted to show you guys how to safely and effectively shave, so you can prevent all of that, and so you can have baby smooth skin when you shave. And again, if you're a woman of color, us as you know, with the melanin, a lot of times we get a lot of hyperpigmentation. A lot of us have to find what works for us and what doesn't work best for us. And I find out when, you know, as a teenager growing, I was always on YouTube trying to figure out, because I'm really blessed with a lot of hair, yeah, all over my body. And so, you know, teenagers going to high school, you kind of want your legs to look kind of like smooth. You want to shave it off and stuff. You want to shave your underarms because you want to keep, you know, all that hygiene and everything. And so I find that I was shaving the wrong way, of course, and a lot of other girls probably is still shaving the wrong way, because I would just pick up a razor and just shave. And so that caused a lot of ingrown hair for me, and that left a lot of scars, especially on my underarm. And so I really struggled with that, because I never realized that I had sensitive skin. If you have strawberry pores, what you can do is try to exfoliate with sugar and oil. You can just exfoliate your legs before you start shaving, so that you can take out any buildup, and all of those prevent, you know, ingrown hair, and all of this will help close the pores. And then never shave dry. Again, if you didn't know, this is a big thing. Never shave dry. If you want to have this baby smooth legs skin, never shave dry. A great alternative to shaving cream is conditioner. We all have it at home. Just apply conditioner on the area, and then use your razor and just shave. Don't double use your razors. Again, if you have sensitive skin, I will not suggest to double use your razors. Throw that right out. You know, get a disposable razor. And another thing is, try to get the razors that have the three blades. That also help prevent too much pressure on the skin, so it gets the job done in one go, and it prevent, you know, scars and you cutting yourself a lot. And don't apply a lot of pressure when you're shaving, you know, your legs. And that should be it. And once you're done, just again, baby oil is it. You can use baby oil, you can use coconut oil, any type of oil. You just apply that over the skin and loosen your skin. It'll look really nice and smooth. And it had come to a point where I didn't want to wear tank tops. I always wanted to wear something with sleeves, because I have a lot of scars, you know, dark spots, especially for the bikini area. Super sensitive down there. Like, I cannot use razor at all down there. I threw away my razor and I went to Nair. The product in Nair worked okay under my underarm, but every now and then I would get ingrown hair. If you guys do have the same problem as me, the same issue, do the switch, throw away the Nairs, the razors, grab a shaver. All the scars are basically gone, and like such a lifesaver, and I'm so happy that I made the switch to the shaver. So I think it's a PANASONIC brand, and since then I've been seeing a difference. It like ingrown hairs, I don't see them anymore. Honestly, after a while I just stopped seeing them anymore. I even forgot that I used to have ingrown hairs. So I need to like put into it, because if you guys do understand, listen, if you really don't want to put your hands up because of ingrown hair, it's kind of like really, you don't have that self-confidence, you know, because sometimes you want to wear your cute dress, but then your underarms have, you know, a couple of like dark spots here and there, like acne scars, ingrown hair scars, and it's not cute. So right now I can definitely share with you guys that it really helped. And for my underarm, I do the same process. I kind of like, if you don't exfoliate, I just kind of use a rag to kind of like exfoliate down there to take out any buildup, you know, deodorant buildup that may have been in there. And then again, I use the conditioner, just apply it, or conditioner or shaving cream, apply it, and then as you guys see, I use the razor, and it has two heads where you can use you can push it up so you can use more of the little, and I just kind of go ahead and shave down there, and it really do give you a really smooth shave. Like it really gets all the little, you know, knots, and it really do give you a smooth shave, and it's really quick and easy to just go ahead and do it. And again, it doesn't add a lot of friction to the skin, which prevents ingrown hair. It really do get. And so let me know down in the comment section below what kind of videos you guys would like to see me do on this channel. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for subscribing. Welcome to all the new subbies. Hi, leave a comment down below, and tell me, do you guys have sensitive skin like me? How often do you shave? I would like to know, really. Like, I really want to know if, like, is it normal? How normal? So let me know down below if you guys are really the same way as me. Do you guys have super sensitive skin, and you know, how often do you guys shave? So, you know, this is an open space for all the females, you know. Welcome. This is like my comfortable place where I just talk with you guys, and I find that why not share with you guys what works for me, and hopefully this video can help someone else if you have the same problem as me. So peace out.